Good morning students. Now in next unit we are going to start the next topic, that is alternative treatment. As medical science provides so many treatment to us, during these times we people are using allopathy, but instead of allopathy number of other alternative treatments are also available. So here we will discuss about the treatment which is given to us time to time to heal us. Clear? So various systems of healings available there. From among that, the first one is, we will talk about the Ayurveda. Clear? So the purpose of this alternative medicine is that, Ayurveda medicine is that to relieve from pain. It helps us to relieve pain as well as it promote wellness, and there is no side effect of Ayurveda. In this system, it is believed that if any person is caused by any imbalance in the body, if any imbalance is there in the body, that person is cured by providing the Ayurveda medicine. Clear? So mostly herbs used during that such type of giving such type of medicine, herbs is used. Clear? Then next one is acupuncture. So acupuncture, that is an ancient Chinese treatment. Ancient time Chinese treatment given by following this acupuncture. In this treatment, it involves we can use the needles. Needles we can use. You can see the picture also, that small size pins put into the body of a person. Clear? So they just put that, they insert that pins inside the body, body of that patient who is suffering with some type of pains. So it relieve from pain. Acupuncture is used to relieve from pain. So it is a ancient time Chinese treatment. Chinese produce this type of treatment which is given to the patient. Clear? So it is through this only what they can use, that they needles they insert into the body only into a strategic point of body, means up to the level of where it is needed. Clear? Now next is Reiki. That is the next treatment, that is a Japanese method of alternative treatment. So Japanese founded this treatment, and the name of that person who is founded that treatment, that is Mikao. It promotes healing and reducing stress. This treatment is used to reduce stress only. Clear? And what they are doing, so you can see the picture also, that patient is lying on the bed and somebody is curing that person by putting his hands on that person's mouth. Means in that type of treatment, in Reiki type of treatment, persons laying his hands on others body. So that treatment is also used to reduce stress. Clear? Next is naturopathy. So it is given in the name itself that this type of treatment is used because that in this type of treatment they believe in nature product. Clear? Natural things they uses to heal the persons in difficult in such type of disease, to heal in the such type of diseases. Clear? So naturopathy, this form of treatment, believe in nature's healing, and under this type of treatment some type of in the patient some type of toxins means poisons deposit in the main cause of the diseases. They show that toxins deposit inside the body. Clear? And that make persons ill. Clear? So to eliminate that type of diseases, they use the treatment, that is naturopathy. Clear? In such type of treatment, natural herbs they used. They made the paste of nature's product and put to the person's body to heal them. Then next one is homeopathy. Homeopathy, this method of treatment was founded by Dr. Samuel. He belongs to German country, and it uses very tiny doses of natural substances in small size of white colors balls, very small means tiny size of balls shape medicines given by them, and mostly that medicines is tasteless, means without taste that medicine given to the person to heal. Clear? So it built the immunity system of a patient strong, that help homeopathy help to build the immunity system of a person also. The next alternative treatment which we can use, that is Unani. Clear? So Unani is also one of the healing treatment which is used by, which is founded by Hakim Ibn Sina. The name of that Hakim is Ibn Sina, and he belonged to Persia. Clear? So in this type of Unani treatment, they usually use plants and minerals as well as herbs to cure the persons. Clear? Who is suffer from any disease. Clear? So alternative treatment is given. We can use instead of allopathy, Ayurveda, acupuncture, naturopathy, homeopathy, and Unani. Clear? Thank you. Now it's a time to give homework. In homework, what you have to do it, that you have to learn the name, underline the name of persons. In between I discussed that who founded that alternative treatment, particular treatment. So you have to underline the name of that person. Like I told you that this Unani was founded by Hakim. The name of that Hakim, that is Ibn Sina. So you have to underline the name of that person who founded that one. That treatment related to which country, that also you have to underline it. And after that you have to learn the about Ayurveda, about acupuncture also, lines which is given in your valuable information which is given in your chapter. So after reading, underline the keywords which is discussed by me, which is noted by me, and try to learn it. Examiner can ask the question related to that, name the ancient alternative treatment which is used in China. So we have to find out which treatment is belongs to China, like that. Thank you.